Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Metz, France, and I'm at the Metz Cathedral. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Let's go inside and take a look. Let's go do it together. Together, you and me. Come on, what are you guys waiting on? Let's go. All right. This is the #1 attraction here in Metz, and it is amazing. From the outside, it's just incredible. And it's windy, so I don't think I'm going to be able to drone it, so you're not going to get a bird's eye view of it, but I'll show you the insides, and the outsides are just stupendous. And it is freezing. I'm thinking I might have to go find some pants or something, or sweats or something, because this is horrendous. And the square is really pretty. Phew. But the church, look at this opening. Is that just stupendous? All the statues and everything else, that is crazy. Oh, look at that. And those doors. Wow, look at all the little people up there. Wow, that is amazing. Wow. Huh. I wonder if you have to pay to get into this place. This might be one of those. Oh, maybe not. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wow. It is really tall. Wow. And there's stained glass, and I'm sure you guys can't tell, but way up here on this part, it's stained glass all the way up and around. All the way around. And it's on both levels, so I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can click my... So there's this one up here, there's this one here, and then there's this one here. So it's like 3 sets of stained glass. Let's walk right down the middle. You know Eric, he likes to be the center of attention. God knows I'm here. He takes care of me. More than you know, actually. Wow. Amazing. And look how big the columns are, too. See, I mean, you know, sometimes they're just a single column, like a round one, but then they ended up adding pieces for support. But man, look at this. Yowza. Hey, look, a new word. It wasn't wow. All right, I deserve a pat on the back for that one. Yowza. No, that doesn't sound as catchy. I'm sticking with wow. Oh, and look, they have like yellow and blue and green, and it looks like it... Oh, we'll go look closer. Oh, and the center is a star. Can you see that up there? Oh, man, that's pretty cool. Wow. I know, I hear it all the time. Eric, pick a different word other than wow. But I just get excited. I don't have time to think about what word to pull out of my butt. So I just use wow. Can you say butt in a church? Look at that. That is amazing. I've heard the Strasbourg church is even better, but I can't imagine. Look at this. Wow. Shut the door. Let me see if I can get that stained glass to show up better for you. It's probably not going to work, but you can see how tall each piece is. You know, normally my body tells me to go left around the altar, but for some reason today, I'm going to go right. Here's the organ. That's pretty amazing. Oh, and I don't know what the deal is, but there's something to deal with these dragons, because that's another dragon, and there was that Benvenuto on the initial walk that talked about dragons. So I don't get it, but I'm going to go find out for sure. Tell me that's not amazing. Get out of here. And again, I don't know if you guys ever notice it, but if you look at these steps, do you see this step, how it dips? Right? And then it comes back up over here. From all the years of walking, think about that stone has been stepped on probably, man, I mean, since like, 1,000 years. So it's, for 1,500 years it's been walked on. So it's probably been stepped on 1 trillion times to dip that stone, to make an indentation just from the steps. Not from sandpaper, not from people rubbing stuff on it, just from a simple step. That stone has been worn away probably 1/2 an inch, 3/4 of an inch. I think that's always amazing. I've been in some churches where it's just silly dips, Like you might as well not have a step. Pretty amazing. That's a pretty picture right there with the lady right there. Pretty amazing. Can you see the images and the people and the baptismal? Out of here. Wow. So, Eric, why do you always come to churches? Well, this is a perfect example. Things that make you go, ooh. And this one does. This one's amazing too. It's got multiple colors inside the... What does it say about this? Does it say it in English? Den so spirited. For Yahweh says, I am going to hand you over to terror, you and all your friends. They shall fall by the sword of their enemies. Your own eyes shall see it, the whole Judah too. I will hand over to the king of Babylon. He will carry them off in captives. Why this? That's what that stained glass looks like. Huh. I'm thinking I don't like that stained glass. Interesting. I want happy stained glass. Like crucifixions. Eric? pretty amazing. Let's go to the front here and look backwards and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, watch this. Okay, everybody, another amazing church. Think about building this. When's the last time you saw one of these in Tucson, Arizona? You ain't never seen anything close to this. Wow. Those doors are enormous. What's this bright stuff over here? Hang on. Something caught my eye. You know, I've ADHD or ADD or whatever they're going to call it these days. It's like squirrel, and the dog runs after it, or sparkle, sparkle, and that's what Eric does. He sees something like this, and then he runs over here and loses track on everything else he was focusing on. Wow, look at this. It really lights up this room. It's amazing. Not room, I'm sorry. Chapel. Chapel. The whole building is a cathedral or basilica, and each little segment is a chapel. That's it from me, everybody. Thanks for coming along. It's always special to share it with you. Even if you're alone and everything else, it still feels like you're here with friends. And I am. You guys are all my friends. You're just little computer friends. Bye, everybody.